At Bossard, we help electric vehicle manufacturers bring ideas to the road faster, smarter, and more efficiently. For over a decade, we've partnered with leading EV brands worldwide, supporting programs from the first prototype to full scale production. Our global EV team combines engineering expertise, qualified suppliers, and certified parts to simplify complexity at every stage. With Bossard, you get more than just fasteners, you get a partner. We collaborate early in your design process, optimize your bill of materials, and manage your supply chain with AI assisted inventory management solutions. From battery enclosures to charging systems, Bossard delivers proven fastening technology, digital traceability, and global consistency you can trust.